I love that sound that makes. I love it.
Someone I used to know, past tense. We used to be tighter than cornrow shit.
Nightlife way.
As we continue moving forward, doing everything the Nightlife way, King Nightlife, I'm back with another Nightlife vlog for you guys. Hey, I just wanted to catch up with y'all real quick and give y'all some updates. We welcoming Miss Brad home. She's finally home. You know, shout out to Jay's Auto Sales for helping us out and finding out what the problem was with the Oldsmobile, because I'll tell you, whoo, it took us about a week. It took me about a week, and I said, you know what, I'm putting it in the shop, and shout out to them because they fixed it. It was a time and chain issue. So shout out to them, we fixed. But we're also having some vacuum issues with both Oldsmobiles. So a round of applause for Miss Brad being home. Round of applause, Khalil? Uh-huh. Yeah, round of applause. He don't want to clap. Round of applause for Miss Brad finally being home. So we got Nightlife Jim coming over. He's going to be helping me with the quick diagnosis on where this vacuum leak is coming from. I don't have any idea. I'm just happy the car is started, is running, you know, so we one step closer to greatness, y'all.
Okay,
so
my turn to talk.
What you guys say to the people about the cars? Nightlife way. What you guys say? We the best at what we do?
Yeah.
All right, we the best at what we do, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to catch up with y'all. You know, we in the top start of the day. This is how I start my day. I just came back from making a coffee run, a muffin run, for my babies back here. So yeah, you guys, right now, in motion. I'm about to be in motion. Sitting in Jade right now. We're about to go for a little quick ride, and because I'm looking for some speakers, y'all. I have a few things that I have to do. I have to take the music out of this wagon and put the third row seat in. I have to fix Goldie, which is my wife's car. That car is also having a vacuum issue. We got the part today. We're going to be putting that on. I don't know if I'm going to make this vlog. I don't know if that's going to make this vlog, but we'll see. So yeah, I got so much going on right now. I want to get the Electra shocks on. I want to get the Oldsmobile shocks on. What else? We just got a lot going on, and it's kind of hard to juggle it all up in my head. But I'm just giving y'all a quick little rundown. So we waiting for Nightlife Jim. You know, he's going to be here shortly, and we're going to start getting at this Oldsmobile. So I'm going to go ahead and give y'all, I'm about to move some cars around and give y'all a quick view of what the driveway is looking like right now that Goldie's home and I'm sporting this big smile. You know, I'm feeling good. So that's how we gonna start the vlog off. I'm gonna give y'all a quick driveway rundown of the vehicles, and we gonna take it from there.
I think move it forward.
Downward cushion grapes, dope stars, get it cracking now. Everybody fuzzing, love the slang. What's the latest? Off a nigga, London, Rome, Paris. Shout out to my haters. The weed too loud, ain't no way that we could keep it down.
Thinking about putting a green top on Miss Brad, taking that brown top off and putting a green top, you know? That's what I was thinking about in this very moment. Compliment that beef and broccoli interior. You know, just going over some thoughts. About to get into some painting, finishing up this painting I got going on with Miss Brad here. And with Goldie. As you can see, Goldie sitting here. He hot right now. Yeah. But you know, just chilling. Doing everything the nightlife way. My boy over there hot right now. Totally upset. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with y'all and share this totally fucking radical moment. Sitting in the deuce. Totally fucking radical. You know? So me and Jim took a couple minutes and got down to the vacuum leak issue. We brought the idle back down. Just making sure we good. I got gas. We brought the idle back down. So now she idling correctly. So I gotta do some moving right here. I gotta move some cars around. It's like Tetris. Gotta move these cars around. Yeah. So we got down to the bottom of that issue. While we had the high idle, we had multiple vacuum leaks. But now she seems like she's idling fine. Yeah, she seems like she's idling fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and move her out the way and put the Electra back in the garage. Yeah, y'all, so Jim don't know, he just motivated me to want to be more hands-on with my Oldsmobile, you know? He just motivated me, because sometimes you can't give up. It just took this man 3 hours to fix his gas tank issue he was having. It took the man 3 hours to do it, y'all. You know? And he couldn't give up. You know, because that's not what we do. You know, we nightlifers, we don't give up. You know what I'm saying? We don't give up at all, y'all. So we gonna get it done. We gonna get it done regardless. You know? Trying to map out how I'm gonna park these cars. Yeah, but she idling fine now. We good to go. You know, I told him I'd hook up with him. We good to go now. This flashlight all in my face. This light all in my face. But yeah, y'all. We gonna go ahead and get into some shocks. Doing the shocks on both of these vehicles and sealing up these vacuum leaks on both Oldsmobiles. I'm King Nightlife. It's been a pleasure catching up with y'all as always. Moving forward. Just got to make sure I'm putting it in the same way I took it out. I think that went in there. That so.
You know, long hair problems. Especially after I just cleaned it up all nice and I was rubbing on engines.
Please don't tell me that this is the wrong. Alright, nope, it's the right part. Started to panic.
Your middle name.
So. Yeah, don't put me on blast in front of the Nightlifers, okay?
You said
With the
it.
commentary. I'm just now, like I said, I'm not really hands-on with the mechanical unless I need to absolutely be hands-on with the mechanical things. I think this went under and around, but it's okay. We could put it on the Nightlife way. Make sure that sucker's on there. Yup. Everything's on there nice and tight. Now this gonna be a better fit. So we'll know if we turn the car on and it's still idling the same, if we need to go ahead and just change this also. So if it's still idling rough, then we just gonna go ahead and go buy the part and put this part on. We're gonna change this. Yeah, we're gonna change this part right here if we have to. We'll see. We'll know after we fire this sucker out what we're working with. So big difference. This sucker's stiff as ever from being in that position. You know, the previous owners, like I said, put this tape on there, kind of like on a Hail Mary type of ordeal, hoping it worked, hoping it catch. But we're going to go ahead and hope that this one is serves us better than the other one, than that one. So I'm gonna go ahead, patch everything right back up, and fire this sucker up.
The cover. You're not gonna do it with the cover?
No, I need to see what's going on. I need to hear and make sure that I don't hear any leaks. See? I told you like when the Nightlifers know when the wife is coming. The wife got all the come. You gonna do this? You ain't gonna do it? I'm telling you, I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I've been knowing. I've been anticipating this. So minimize when you anticipate something. You minimize your mistakes. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta be already overthinking it. So you know what I'm saying? When it's actually time to do it, you get done. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna fire it up. Now, actually, can you fire it up? Cause my fingers is dirty. We're gonna have you fire it up. I don't want to be touching the keys with my dirty fingers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put y'all up here. Try not to get my dickies dirty. I know these ain't working dickies right here, y'all. You know, I was not prepared. I was not prepared for this. So like I said, hopefully. What's up, you okay? You alright? You alright? So yeah, y'all. She went to get the keys. We about to fire this up and see if we hear anything coming out of these hoses, which we shouldn't. But you know, usually dealing with these vacuum leaks, once you patch up one spot, it likes to travel to another spot. So you know, let's hope that's not the case here with this right here. Hopefully y'all don't fall over. Fire it up. quieting down. Okay, y'all. That sucker quieted down. I don't hear nothing coming out of it. None of this area. I didn't hear that hissing sound when she started it. It's good, man. It might be good. It might be good. I might have to tell her to drive it and see what she how it's accelerating. Let's see. It is quieter. Not quieter. Not quieter. Alright, y'all, so y'all can consider that. Go ahead and kill it. Alright, y'all. We could consider this a slam dunk. The Nightlife way, y'all. The wife said that the gas needle went up. She's getting more accurate gas readings. So yeah, we all set, y'all. Another slam dunk the Nightlife way. We gonna go ahead and patch this sucker back up. And I'm gonna have her test drive it, go to the gas station, see if the car is moving a lot better. But yeah, that made a major difference to well, from what we had in there already. So throw that down right there for now. But yeah, y'all. So now all we got left is Miss Brad, which is the other Oldsmobile. All we got left is that one to figure out that fuel pressure issue. Excuse me. This was always here. Why is it? I'm seeing that right there, but whatever. Back on. To be crushing down on the spark plug wires like that, but I guess that's the way GM designed it, you know? For anybody who got one of these motors, they know what wires I'm talking about. Coming across over the top of this cover. But yeah, y'all. Another slam dunk the Nightlife way. We all set with that. It is all set, y'all. Wife says she's satisfied. I'm satisfied. Moving forward.